I've been working with Quark for 8 years now. In those 8 years, I've worked on 10 vessels. The Khlebnikov was always the vessel that the team wanted to work on. This vessel brings together the perfect mix of talent, quality, adventure. All together, these things create the ultimate expedition experience. It's not a luxury vessel. You don't come on these trips to spend time in your cabin. You want to be spending time outside watching this vessel do what it does best, breaking ice.
Come on out and observe the Captain Khlebnikov going through this ice as it's trying to get us closer to the colony.
The polar regions are not an easy place to access. The Khlebnikov allows us to get to these remote areas in a safe and comfortable way. We're very privileged to have an open bridge policy where we get to see the captain and his officers. They welcome you with a warm smile. The helicopter team we work with, I can't imagine a team that makes me feel more safe in the sky, not just to get us to where we want to go, but to get us home safely at the end of the day. A big part of traveling on this vessel is just that, the vessel alone. When we leave these places, we don't have souvenirs. All we have is memories of these experiences.